The holiday season is the perfect time to get creative with your Christmas tree decorations. Today we'll explore different themes and styles to make your tree a showstopper this Christmas. Start with a classic color scheme that never goes out of style: red, green, and gold. These timeless colors evoke warmth and tradition, making your tree the centerpiece of the holiday decor. For a sophisticated look, try a silver and white theme. This combination gives your tree a frosty, wintry appeal that's both chic and serene. Bring a touch of rustic charm with a farmhouse-style Christmas tree. Use burlap ribbons, wooden ornaments, and plaid patterns to create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. If you're aiming for a glamorous look, incorporate metallic accents like gold, silver, and bronze. Metallic ornaments will reflect the light and add a luxurious feel to your tree. Bring the outdoors in with a nature-inspired tree. Use pine cones, wooden ornaments, berries, and greenery for a natural, earthy look that celebrates the beauty of winter. Vintage decorations bring a sense of nostalgia. Think retro ornaments, tinsel, and traditional glass baubles to make your tree feel like it's straight out of a holiday classic. For a playful twist, why not try a rainbow-colored tree? Bright, vibrant hues bring a fun and light-hearted vibe to the holiday season. For those who appreciate simplicity, Scandinavian-inspired trees feature minimalist decor with neutral colors and subtle details like wooden ornaments and candles. Create a luxurious look by incorporating rich velvet and satin ribbons, paired with elegant gold or silver baubles. This design exudes opulence and style. A frosted tree evokes the beauty of a snowy landscape. Use fox snow, icy decorations, and soft lighting to achieve a winter wonderland effect. For a personal touch, decorate your tree with DIY handmade ornaments. Create unique decorations like personalized wooden tags, fabric garlands, and craft snowflakes. If you're a fan of Christmas movies, create a themed tree based on your favorite holiday film. From Home Alone to The Grinch, the possibilities are endless. For ultimate convenience, opt for a pre-lit tree. These trees come with built-in lights, so you can skip the hassle of stringing them up and dive straight into decorating. An ombre tree features a gradient of colors from top to bottom. Start with dark colors at the top and gradually transition to lighter hues at the base for a stunning visual effect. Bring the beach to Christmas with a coastal, themed tree. Use seashells, starfish, and beachy accents to create a relaxed, nautical holiday vibe. If you're a fan of elegance, try a monochromatic tree design. Pick one color, like gold, silver, or white, and use it for all ornaments, ribbons, and accents for a refined look. For a fun and unique twist, decorate your tree with edible ornaments like gingerbread cookies, candy canes, and dried fruit. These edible treats double as holiday snacks. Create an interactive tree for kids by including fun, hands-on elements like mini stuffed animals, felt ornaments, and a tree they can help decorate each year. To complete your look, don't forget the final touches. A beautiful tree skirt will add the finishing flair, and a matching tree topper will tie the whole theme together.